Welcome to another One Love review. And in this review, we're doing some honey. Okay. Some sous vide honey.
Okay.
You know, sous vide be having the honey. And I love honey.
Yes, I love honey. Honey is good for asthma too.
It's good for allergies, all that. It has a lot of great things
Yeah.
it's for.
Yeah.
People need to eat more honey.
Especially when you eat your local honey.
Yes. True story.
Yeah.
And we got tons of it up here. But we're doing some infusions. So this one we're going to do is vanilla honey. Then we have strawberry honey. Lemon honey. Limon. And then we have hot honey with chilies in it.
Caliente. Ooh.
And I don't really do
Fresa y vainilla.
what she said.
I'm going to think right now that my least favorite is going to be vanilla. I'm not really crazy about vanilla. I'm not crazy about the vanilla candle. I know it's crazy. I'm not really crazy about the vanilla.
I like vanilla. I like vanilla ice cream.
Well, I like vanilla ice cream, but that's about it.
I like vanilla chai.
Yeah, too sweet.
What else I like? There's something else I like vanilla too. But those two stand out.
We're going to try it on our bread.
Yeah, we're just going to put in some bread, dab it on there, and see what it tastes like.
But you can use this like on pancakes, like this hot one. You can use it on wings.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of tells you,
wings.
yeah. So that is really interesting. Nice hot. That's interesting because we have a deep fryer coming up.
Yeah, so
Maybe we could deep fry some chicken and then just drizzle some of that glaze on it. We'll be back with that.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So I guess also you can put these in teas.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're both tea drinkers, so I will be having some tea tonight.
Yeah. So we ain't gonna hold you. We're gonna go ahead and start this off with the vanilla honey.
Might as well start with that one.
Yes. Ooh. All right. I see you, vanilla.
So you can use it, like I said, on wings. You can use it on pancakes,
Give me
pizza, ribs, burgers.
break my bread up so I don't.
I know it sounds weird to put honey, but this hot one says that
There you go, babe.
Okay, I'm just gonna
Just tear it and put some on it.
tear a little bit.
Try not to jump in it before she ready.
Okay. You can jump in it.
It's starting to leak.
It's definitely honey.
Yeah, I don't really taste the vanilla. I taste a little bit of vanilla.
Very light.
It's very light.
You taste the honey way more than the vanilla.
Huh. It's good. But it almost tastes like it's a regular honey.
For me, I don't know if you want to do it, but I'm not going to use the bread because I can't really taste
Because of the bread. Hey, I'll take another taste with the spoon.
Yeah. I can't really taste it like that.
Think I won't? Good.
Yeah. Just a... It's good honey. I really don't taste the vanilla though, but it's good honey.
It tastes like a darker honey. Like the, what's the one I usually get? It's not the...
I don't know, but he goes to the local.
Yeah, I go to the farmer's market and get it. And they have one that's really good. It's a darker honey. And I love it. I think it's wildflower. Might be a wildflower.
I think so. Yep, that's it.
So, yeah. So...
I like that. That's a thumbs up for me.
Yeah.
It has a hint of vanilla, very slight.
Yeah.
But the honey is really good.
Yeah, true story. So I guess we'll move on to this strawberry honey. Ooh. I don't know how much you want, so I'm going to hand that to you. I definitely taste... I wonder if this must be a strawberry flavoring. Tastes like a strawberry flavoring.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's a flavoring. It says honey and natural flavors, but
You could taste the flavoring of strawberry. Though.
Yeah.
That one you can taste.
Yeah, that definitely tastes like
And
strawberry.
it tastes good.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a strawberry honey. That's exactly as advertised.
I like that.
Yeah, that is, yeah. I could put that in a tea. That would be really good in a tea.
Well, so far, both of these are very good in a tea because the vanilla is so slight.
Yeah, you can put that in a vanilla chai tea, and that would be good.
I have the turmeric chai tea.
All right.
I can put some of that in there.
All right, so I'm liking these.
Me too. We'll save the hot for last in case we have to drink water.
Yeah. So next we're going with the lemon honey.
I wonder if this is good if you could put some peanut butter and then put a little bit of honey on top.
Oh yeah, peanut butter and honey.
Right?
Man, but ask somebody. See what this lemon is tasting like.
Well, dang, babe, your spoons are getting bigger and bigger.
Well, I want to make sure I get the full taste.
Okay, this is like the first one.
Yeah.
It has a hint of lemon.
Yes,
it does. Just like that one had a hint of vanilla, but it's not powering. Like the strawberry.
You know it's strawberry right away.
As soon as you put it in your mouth, you know it's strawberry without
Yeah.
even looking at what it is.
Yeah.
This one, you kind of like have to.
You really got a taste for the lemon.
Yeah. It's good, but it's more honey.
I say you put it in tea and water? Just put it in water? Never heard of just putting honey in water. I guess you could do that.
Well, honey, you remember when we were growing up and we didn't have no money, we used to put some sugar in water? There you go. Some honey and water.
I used to do some crazy syrup sandwiches.
Yeah. I used to do mayonnaise sandwiches.
Ew.
I love mayonnaise. I used to take bread and just put mayonnaise in it. And eat it. It was delicious.
Wow. That's a first.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
like that.
So, what's next? The one I'm sort of scared of.
Hot honey.
The hot honey with the chilies in it. I don't know about this one. But like she said, on the front of the package it says pizza, wings, ribs, and
I could just
burgers.
see that. Some nice hot wings, drizzling a little bit of that on there. Oh, yes. I can definitely see that.
On some wings or something.
We are definitely going to try that.
Yeah, when we fry the stuff. So I'm going to let you go first on this one.
He's such a coward.
I ain't a coward. I just don't like spicy.
Okay.
Well, you breathing, hand me my water while you're over there, because what we're not going to do is burn my mouth up.
That would be good with wings.
I'm just, I got too much. Oh, Lord. Woo!
I mean, it's not like...
It's an instant heat.
It's not like from 1 to 10, the heat is 10. But it is, there is heat in there. There is definitely heat in there.
I just stuck my tongue on it immediately.
And I like semi-heat. I don't like 10, but I like semi-heat. And my tongue is still dancing.
Yeah, there you go, baby. Had a little bit of lipstick on the thing.
Now, on the wings, this would be really good. But not like...
Don't get me wrong. It's good.
You could just drizzle.
But if you like spice, it's good.
Yeah.
Give me some... It has to be on something for me. Like wings, I'll try out some hot wings. Or something like that.
Yeah.
But outside of that, like I said, I'm not a spicy person, so I wouldn't probably...
It says it's also great with stir fry.
Huh.
Interesting. I would cook with it. I would definitely cook with it. These I could put in my tea. Okay, all three of these.
I'm going to clean my spoon off. Glutton for punishment. But...
Yeah, he's brave because I only had a little bit. And I didn't even finish mine.
I didn't taste the chilies. And it is spicy.
It's good. Let me tell you something. I guarantee you, if you make some wings and you drizzle that on there, those are going to be fire.
Yeah. If you like hot wings, that would be awesome.
Yeah. Yeah. Because it's like a glaze. It's going to be good. These three I will definitely put in my tea.
I would use this one on waffles or pancakes.
Yeah, you could
because
do
you
that.
can really taste the strawberry.
Actually, yes. So I would do the lemon and the vanilla in my tea because they're so light. You barely can taste the lemon or the vanilla. And the strawberry one, you're right. You can use that as syrup for pancake.
Yep, I agree. And then of course this one for your wings.
Yeah, for your wings.
Overall, I like them.
I mean, I love the product.
Yeah.
The honey is amazing.
Yeah,
It's a nice, soothing
done
honey. Yeah.
Subi.
Very good.
Yeah.
Well, I give this product a 2 thumbs up.
Yeah, I give it a 4 out of 5 stars. It's not bad. Especially because I'm a honey lover too. So, but my mouth is still burning from that one. So, even though it tastes good.
My tongue is still dancing.
Yeah. See? And she does way more spicy than I do.
Dancing, dancing, dancing. Yes, it's dancing.
Not Michael. All right. Well, on that, I guess we'll go ahead and wrap this one up. And yeah, if you get a chance, you can pick these up at your Targets, your Wally Worlds, your Ingles, your Publix, and all them other fine stores out
ShopRite,
there.
Pathmark, Seatown, yep, in New York.
Yeah, all them things. But yeah, get out, try these, and let us know what you think. If you like, especially if you like spicy, pick that up and let us know
Yeah,
what
and
you
come
think.
see us again when we use this on our wings.
Yeah, so when we do the deep fryer,
Yeah,
we'll have that. So.
yeah.
Well, this has been another installment of One Love Review. Hope you enjoy our review on these honeys. Go out and get you some. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment.
Yes, comment.
Yeah. But the most important, hit that like button.
Yeah,
For,
subscribe.
for y'all that don't subscribe, at least hit that like button. Let us know that you like what we do.
And if you want to see us review something, you want to try something, but you don't want to be the guinea pig, just let us know. We'll do it for you.
Yeah, Guinea Pig City, baby.
I've always been Mikey. I'm like, give it to Mikey, she'll eat it.
Yeah, nah, not me. I'll
That
let
was
somebody
me.
else try it first. Well, now that I've gotten older, I'll try things.
Yeah.
I'll
And now that you get older, it's like your palate changes.
Your tongue get old.
Yeah, but you like things that you didn't like when you were as a child. You're like, oh, this is good, you
Yeah,
know?
true story. Well, thank you, and we will see you on the next One Love Review. Deuces.
That was very impressive, let me tell you.